All right, so I'm in my Zoom room and I just went to a meeting. I'm going to share my screen here and I'm going to do this one right here. Share iPhone or iPad via AirPlay. And the first time I clicked it, I had to install a plugin and there was like literally like cancel or install. I installed the plugin and it took like 5 seconds. I'm going to hit share and then it's going to tell you what to do on your phone or your iPad. So here's my phone, right? So I go to settings, right? I connect to the Wi-Fi network that it tells me to do here. And once you connect to that, then you're going to do exactly what it says here. So if you have my iPhone, I've got to swipe up from the bottom, and I'm going to hit this little screen mirroring button right here. And I'll connect, and it says Cirrus MacBook Pro Zoom right there. You see it? Boom. And now it's mirroring my phone. And so what I can do is I can go to camera, and now it's a document camera. There you go. You just mount it on a coffee cup or a tall tower, and you've got yourself a document camera. That's all there is to it.